Alright guys, this is new Mini Electrics with the JCW kit. We've got the new bonnet stripes. We've got the red roof is still there. It's got the aero body kit down here. As you can see, little flanks. It's got the new JCW wheels. You got the 225 18s now. So wider wheel up front and then in the rear. Normal red caps. You've got the red roof again. More importantly, we've actually got a JCW wing now. I guess this will be part of the kit. We've got the new JCW logo here, showcasing the rebrand in that sense. There is a nice sort of integrated diffuser here. As before, all the Mini Electrics, it all runs flat underneath. So to point out that it's electric with the S there, obviously this is an S with the JCW kit on. It's a nice metallic grey paint as well. These are burnished wheels as well. They look really cool. You got the JCW center caps as well. So with the new logo, they're very nice as well. But nice all around. They've done it well again with all the look. Sort of got the Mini integration. I think the biggest points for a lot of people is going to be the wing and then sort of the interior. It's something. Again, it's sort of grown upon me the more and more I've seen it, and I sort of like the sort of the brake light is actually integrated into this spoiler as well. As you can see, the little flink it molds in with the rest of the wing. Again, the wing is quite big as well. If I put my hand in there, it sort of takes it all in. It's full wraparound as well. Everything's done nicely in that sense. I guess the little Mini look like a little remote control car. It's kind of gone with the shark fin at the top. The rear lights do look sort of better with the darker shaded colours. I don't think the blue made it pop a bit too much. Obviously the black bezel around with the grey sort of integrates, and the black bar on the darker shades of colour does work a bit more better. For now, I'm just going to quickly jump in the interior, give you a quick overview of that. So with the JCW models, it's got the red sort of stitching down here. So the red stitching on the seats. Obviously the JCW extinguisher again, so you got the different seats. You've got the new JCW logo there, red stripe. We've got this different pattern, so it kind of goes to a black and a grey. So down here we've got the JCW logo on the side skirts. If I quickly jump in, we've got the JCW steering wheel here. It's got the JCW logo. Then you've got the again red and the sort of the grey and the black little band here. It is sort of perforated. It's a lot thicker than the other wheel. You got sort of smoother at the top, smoother at the bottom than the perforated leather here. And then the dashboard as well. Again, you got the lightings as well. With the JCW, you've got this sort of leather band strap. With the red, it's sort of integrated into the checkered logo, integrated into the sort of the dashboard, which is cool. Same thing again down here below. Center arm console, they got a little red tray box here. The rears are just plain sort of leather, vegan leather, with red stitching all around. Again with the mood lighting as well. And above you've got the lighting that goes around with the blue one here, and obviously you can go through the modes and everything else. So it's all kind of similar to the other Mini Electric. Well, it would be, because essentially the same model. This is just with the JCW kit, so you get the dash trim, the leather patches, the body kit, the wheels. Doesn't seem to be any pedal options at the moment because it's just plain black. But no, it's really nice. That wheel is really nice, to be fair. Nice sort of leather bound. And you got the burnished coloured wheel there. But it all is good, to be fair, in JCW land. Yeah, I'm just gonna hop out now. So this one's got the Harman card, and again everything's sort of done nicely. Again, Mini have really upped their game again with the exterior and interior. I think the back's probably the best view of the car with that wing. As we go, we've got black badges as well, just down here with the black badge and everything integrated. And then down here as well on the rear diffuser, you got their integrated fog light as well. So again, it's all integration. Everything seems a bit more seamless. You've got deflectors for legal reasons with the LED headlights. So that's all there. Got the sensors, they're a bit more integrated around, all again around again. Yeah, so the wheels nice and smooth, everything's all good. But yeah guys, I'm gonna have to wrap this one short because I've only had a quick view of it. But catching up as always guys, it's always a mini adventure.